Yes, sir. She's clean. What's going on, man? It's your boy SRT Steve-O back with another video, man. Y'all see it today. She clean. Hey, man, I think y'all gonna be excited for this video. I'm excited, bro. We got some mods coming to the SRT. Like I said, I told y'all stay tuned. I got some stuff coming to the car, so we definitely about to get into it today. It's glass, bro. It's glass. I'm gonna pop that trunk on y'all, show y'all what we doing today. Yes, sir. Y'all boys see it. Catless mid pipes. We finna get them joints put on today. And then I got my active muffler. That way, you know, it ain't that loud. I don't want it to be too loud on people, man. You know what I mean? I can open and close it. Of course, y'all gonna hear that motherfucking motor, but I can open and close the muffler in order to keep it, you know, quiet whenever it comes to my neighbors and stuff like that. You know, just out of respect, man. But shout out to Valtronic Designs, man, for sending me the pack over, bro. I appreciate y'all. It's greatly appreciated. I'm gonna put this on the car, vlog the whole entire thing, man. Show y'all some sound clips, the difference between when it's open, when it's closed. You know what I mean? I just feel like with these cars, if you just do complete like cat delete, mid muffler, resonator, the car is just too loud, bro. I don't want to be obnoxious, you feel me? So we're gonna definitely get all that put up. The installation for the Valtronic system was not that hard to plug in. I had my homeboy actually help me with the install and stuff like that. So shout out to you, Pitch Black TA. That's my boy. He helped me out with the install. So shout out to you. But again, man, let's go ahead and get on the road. Y'all see it, I'm riding with the purple lights today. Was gonna do the orange, but SRT badge. Like I said, showed y'all everything I put on the car. Follow your boy on the gram too, man. That's where I got a lot of my reels and stuff like that. You guys see the shorts that I put on the gram, but follow your boy on Instagram, SRT Steve-O. Y'all can scan that QR code right there. It'll take you directly to the gram, all right? But yeah, let's go ahead and get a little cold start. Well, semi-cold start. I had to take the little ones to school, so let's get a semi-cold start so we can hear the sound difference. Definitely don't want that. You know when we putting her in track. All right, man. So we getting ready to pop out. Want to get everything put on the car. So, you know, today is my daughter's prom, so shout out to my baby, man. I'm excited about her first prom and stuff like that. So when I get to the muffler shop, I'll turn y'all back on. All right, bro. We finally made it to the muffler shop, bro. They just opening up, so I'm giving my man some time to get his head right. You know how it is, first customer today, man. Sometimes you ain't in the best mood, but yeah, so I finally made it. So once he start the process and I talk numbers with him and talk everything over, I'll turn y'all back on. All right, so we're getting ready to put her on the lift right now, man. She finna go catless, bro. I'm excited. Want to see what she gonna sound like. She's sounding good right now, but I want it to be a little louder, so that's what we're about to get into. I'm gonna try my best to put some B-roll in this video for y'all, man. So yeah, man, I'm excited. We're getting on the lift right now. I'm gonna put some B-roll in here, man, and show you guys the process and stuff like that. And then after we're done, we're gonna see how she sounded, bro. Like I said, I'm excited, man. I'm excited to see how this joint gonna sound. Again, like I said, stay tuned because I got more stuff coming to the channel, bro. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know down below in the comment section, man. Should I get that tune know what I'm saying? So we can spit flames out this joint. Low key, that's kind of what I want to jump into. I want to get that flame tune, you know what I'm saying? Or a kit where this joint can spit flames. Cause I mean, man, just look at her, bro. All black, black on black, bro. She clean, bro. We put them flames in there. Yeah, it's definitely a goal, bro. It's a goal. But my man's just working on it right now, so I'm excited, man. So we got one of the cats off. There's two. So I'm gonna tell y'all boys, man, this is very important. Keep these, bro. Don't sell them. Keep them. Even though you're going with the cat delete, make sure you keep these, because if you decide you want to trade your car in, or you want to be able to pass emissions for inspections, you can slap these joints back on, take those off, and be good. You feel me? All right, there it is, boys. High flow cats or catless mid pipes is installed. It's all buttoned up now, man. We're working on the mufflers now. Hopefully we ain't getting no codes. And everything is good to go. Ready to hear how she gonna sound, bro. All right, boys, we got one muffler on, bro. Welded up. Ready to see what she gonna sound like, boy. Back at the crib, man. Look, sorry for, you know, not being able to get that first cold start. I ended up leaving the key at home in order to open up the active exhaust. But bro, the way she sound with the catless mid pipes, bro, crazy. Now I did some of the work myself. I didn't record that because it was hot as hell in that garage. I just had my boy put the mufflers on. And as you can see, if you can see up in there, you see the cutout. It's closed right now. So you'll get a remote to where you can open and close the valve, man. All right, y'all. Put gas in the gas guzzler, bro. I'm gonna give y'all a little warm start after she's done. So y'all can hear what I hear, bro. Damn, she thirsty, bro. Dang. Dang. Slow down, Bertha. I swear black is like the hardest car to keep clean, bro. The hardest color to keep clean. Alright, so we took 52, man. That ain't bad. I'm telling y'all, shot with shell, bro. Alright, I'm gonna give y'all a warm start.